भाजपा प्रवक्ता शहजाद पूनावाला ने जेकेएनसी सांसद आगा सैयद रहुल्लाह मेहदी के बयान पर तीखी प्रतिक्रिया दी। उन्होंने कहा कि उमर खालिद और शर्जील इमाम को मानवाधिकार कार्यकर्ता और विद्वान बताना गलत है और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसलों की आलोचना के तौर पर देखा जा रहा है।
Chico system काम पर Sharjeel and Umar Chico system is at it again, once again putting vote bank नीति above संविधान की नीति and saying that Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam are human rights activists, scholars who are being mistreated, ill-treated. This time it is JK National Conference MP who has said this. So he's saying that the Supreme Court is penalizing human rights activists and scholars. Is his allegation against the Supreme Court? And he's not the only one. Mahua Moitra has eulogized Umar Khalid, writing poems for him. We have seen Prithviraj Chavan, Brinda Karat, Udit Raj, Hussein Dalwai, Mr. Hamid Ansari, Kapil Sibal, all of them have said that these were innocent youth. They were being targeted because they are Muslims. This kind of narrative has been given. The whitewashing of their crimes is being done when the Supreme Court has denied them bail. These are the people who have also whitewashed the crimes of Afzal Guru by saying Halat Kamara, Yaqub is Bechara. They have said Batlaus encountered terrorists, Sonia Gandhi was crying for them. They have called Naxalis a Shaheed. So they are always whitewashing the crimes of such kinds of people whom even the courts is giving no relief to. Is it not against the Constitution, against the Supreme Court? Also, 7 people out of who got bail, 5 people got bail. They were Muslims. So how can the Supreme Court be accused of being partial or biased or communal? There's no answer for that. And what did Umar Khalid say? He said that India is occupying Jammu Kashmir. He was eulogizing Burhan Wani. Sharjeel Imam wanted to cut off the chicken's neck. Tahir Hussain was the mastermind of Delhi riots. And such people are getting protection and eulogies from MPs. This shows the Chico system and their mindset.